To save the battery in your ID, you can use the handy Battery Care Mode function. This limits the battery's upper charge level to a default level of 80% to extend the battery life. But you can also set the charging target manually to 100% at any time, of course. The next time you charge, Battery Care Mode will automatically reset the charging target to 80%. In addition, you can save charging locations such as your home with defined departure times. Here too, you can set the percentage up to which the battery should be charged before departure.
Volkswagen.